Hi, my name is Karina and today we're going to talk about something that is different than usual. Today we're going to discuss about higher education, and during my research about this same, I came across this very nice institution located in the valley of Dehradun. And the name of the university we're going to talk about today is Graphic Era University. Now, Graphic Era University, my friends, is a deemed to be university, which means that the ownership of this university is private, but they are affiliated by the central UGC, which makes them better than the usual private universities that you have affiliated by the state UGC. When I look into universities personally, one thing I definitely put my attention is towards the ranking and ratings that a particular university has. Now, if I talk about Graphic Era in specific, Graphic Era has a very nice ranking in the NIRF, which is the National Institutional Ranking Framework, and here in the engineering category they are ranked at 104, which is right after IIT Roorkee. Now, when I talk about this, why this ranking I paid so much attention to NIRF in particular is that because here Graphic Era surpasses a lot of NITs as well, which is absolutely commendable, specifically when we're talking about a private institution, my friends. The second ranking that I would like to pay attention is NAAC, which is the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. It is a UGC body that does rankings for the universities they've affiliated. And here Graphic Era has an A grade and the highest grade score in this particular region of the country. Now, why this is important is because NAAC assures that the quality standards are maintained and the kind of education that they rated or accredited the university with, they are continuing to maintain so. So a good score in the NAAC ranking means that the university is living up to the expectations that it had set earlier when it started. Secondly, we come down to the QS-iGOG ranking. Now, QS-iGOG, my friend, is something that is, absolutely big, and it is something that we look into while we are researching about international universities as well. So it is a global ranking. And this year, Graphic Era very recently has been, rated as a diamond category university, which makes it amongst the only 13 universities in our country to have this rating. That is huge for a private institution again, and I think it's absolutely commendable. Now, if you've noticed, the rankings that I've mentioned till now, none of them are private rankings. They're all government rankings. That makes it really special. And while researching about Graphic Era, I actually found no private ranking, which, somehow makes sure that they're actually looking in for something very authentic, and all their rankings and accreditations are very to the point, and they're affiliated by the government bodies as well. Coming down to my second point, while looking into a university, I think the biggest concern that you and I as people will have while pursuing higher education is the money that we're about to spend, and we would absolutely looking for a return on investment. That is, how much we're spending on a particular course and the kind of return we'll get once we've completed that particular course. Now, when I talk about Graphic Era, they have a very extensive merit-based scholarship system, which means the better you are at your studies, the better scholarship you get. A 60%er will have difference than a 90% student, and this will help you get a lot of relaxation on your tuition fees, especially courses like MBA or engineering, which are expensive than the usual UG PG programs. This kind of merit-based flexible scholarship system really helps you get a lot of relaxation on these fronts. Another great thing is that they're actually very in for women empowerment, and they have a 10% off on tuition fees every semester for all their girl students, which is absolutely commendable because through this medium they're actually promoting education for the girl child, and I really like this thought altogether. Now, this brings me to the point of return on investment, and I think as a parent or as a student, this is one point you should really look into, which brings me to the fact that how much you are investing into a course and what return you are getting. So, if you look into the fee structures of this university, you will realize that you're not spending a ginormous amount. Yes, a few courses will be expensive, obviously, for the kind of degree that they're providing, but if you compare it to other universities or structures which are probably lower, this is a very reasonable fee structure that they have, and the merit-based flexible scholarship system makes it even more affordable for you to pursue. And in return, the kind of placements that Graphic Era offers is absolutely commendable. Now, they have a 55 lakh package, they have a 43 lakh package, they have a 40 lakh package, a 30 lakh package, 26 lakh package, so on and so forth, which is absolutely amazing, and you get complete return on the investment that you're making into your education at university level. Now, the other good thing that I would like to discuss about a university is the infrastructure that they have, which is absolutely very, very important. Now, Graphic Era is a very beautiful mix of modern university infrastructure and nature, which is very important for a student to endure its education and to make sure that they're relaxed while pursuing it. So the fact that I've seen a lot of videos during my research, the one thing I realized that it's not a pressurizing campus. Yes, they do focus on academics a lot, as the whole top management that forms this university is related to academics. So obviously academics is a big focus point, but the kind of infrastructure and environment that the university has is absolutely green. It's beautiful. They have modern infrastructure, labs, lecture theaters, what all that you would see in a foreign university is probably given to you right here in this university campus amidst the lap of nature. Now, the other good thing that I really liked about Graphic Era is the kind of campus life that they provide for their students. Now they have great fests, and one of their fests is known as Graph Fest, which is absolutely amazing. It is huge. They have celebrities coming on from across the globe each year for the students. It is for 3 days back to back, and I feel these are situations where students are put out of academics into other fields of life and they get to explore so much more. They also have amazing residential facilities in Graphic Era, and they can accommodate a lot of students, as I believe that the university website says. And the other great thing that they have is sports. Now, the sports facilities are also extremely interactive, and you can look yourself into the website that they have. Now, if we talk about the kind of location, Dehradun again is a beautiful location to study in. It is known for education. It is again a blend of modern with nature, something that is very important for students our age and something we should really look into. And with this, I would like to tell you that in case this season, if you are looking for admissions in a university, Graphic Era is an amazing option, and you most definitely should look into this university, see the website, check out the records, check out the kind of accreditations and placements they have, and I'm sure you'll be impressed yourself. So if this season, one university I recommend to you is most definitely Graphic Era University, situated in Dehradun, so do have a look. Thank you.